Good morning, my dear students. Today we'll learn expression in Python. We know what is expression, right? We are using expression for different purposes. Okay, so in Python also you can use this expression. Expression can be of different type. It may be arithmetic expression, it may be relational expression, logical expression, or string expression. So what are the different types of expression? One may be arithmetic expression. Arithmetic expression. It may be relational expression. Relational. It may be logical, or it may be string type. So these are the different types of expressions. Now, which type of operators will be used in expression, that will determine the type of expression. Okay, so now what I told? Operator. We know what is operator, right? Operator may be arithmetic operator, may be relational, may be logical, and in Python there are string operators also. There are two string operators available in Python that I am going to discuss now only. Now, expression is combination of operators and operand. Now in Python, what are the different types of operands? It may be list, it may be string, it may be tuples, it may be any identifier also. Yes or no? It may be identifiers also, or it may be literals also. And with all these terms, we are already familiar. We have already learned all this. So, operator and any one or the combination of all these will make your expression. So, in Python, what is expression? It is the combination of operator and atom. Atom may be anything from here. Okay, so in Python, expression is any combination of operator and atoms. Under atoms, this may be list, this may be string, this may be tuple, this may be identifier, literal, anything. And as I told that these are the different types of expression in Python. Which type of expression, how we'll understand? Which type of operators you are using. If you are using arithmetic means operator, what are the arithmetic operators? We all know. Plus, minus, like this. There are more. Relational operator, if you are using less than, greater than, less than, greater than equal to, less than equal to, like this, then it will become relational operator. If you are using the logical operator, then it will become the relational expression. If you are using the logical operators, what are the logical operators? Or, not, etc. Yes, or, not, all this, then it will become the logical expression. If as an operator you are using the string type of operators, now in Python there are two types of string operator available. One is plus, one is star. Okay, these two are called string operators of Python. Now how it will work? This plus and star, these are not working as arithmetic operators when we are using it as string operator. Plus and star or asterisk is under arithmetic means arithmetic operators also, but when we are using it, using these two as string operator, these two operators when will operate on string type of operands, then it will not work like the arithmetic operator. So with example, now only we will study. Okay, so these are the different types of expression in Python. Now we know what is expression in Python, and we know what are the different expressions, different types of expressions available in Python also. Okay, na? And if the combination of different types of operators are there in an expression, then it is called compound expression. Okay, then it will be, means it is called compound type of expression. Done? Now arithmetic expression, we know using this plus, minus, multiplication like asterisk, like this, using these operators, whatever expressions we are making, okay, that will be your arithmetic expression. Now relational expression, relational example, like if you are using a greater than b, this is one relational expression, because a, b, these are the atoms, these are the variables only, okay, and this greater than is a relational operator, then it will be a relational expression. One example I gave. Now logical, like C or D. So this OR is the operator, and OR is one logical type of operator. C or D, like this. This is one example of logical expression. Now string expression. So what is string expression? Like if you are using, like suppose we are using one string like hi, okay, and after that you are using another string Amit. So now see, this plus operator is working on string type of data, both are the strings. This is also a string, this is also a string. Then it will work how? It will work like this, and it will give you output like hi Amit. This is also one string, means this is the concatenation. It will work as a concatenation operator. This plus is now not making the addition. Okay, if this plus will work on one integer value or float value like this, okay, numeric value, then it will work as a arithmetic expression. But, or arithmetic means addition operator. But when it is working on the strings, then it will work as a concatenation. Okay, so this plus is here for concatenation of both the string. Hi plus Amit. So this plus is one concatenation operator. Now next, this star. If we'll do A, then star, then again A, what will happen? It will give you error. See, plus if you are using on both the strings, it will concatenate, it will give you the result. But if you are using this star operator on both the strings, then it will give you error. Okay, because this is not the right way to use this star. The star, how you can use? A star 2. Then what will happen? It will replicate. It will work as a replication operator. This will work as a replication operator, and it will give you the result AA. Means A will be replicated. Now another one example you take, you will better understand. 3. Then what will happen? A. Means 3 times it will be replicated. It is 2 times it will be replicated. So if you are using this star or asterisk operator on string, then one operand will be string, another one operand should be an integer. Okay, but when you are using this concatenation plus operator, then both the operands should be string. Please remember, this is an important concept. Okay, so Python is providing two string operators. One is plus and one is asterisk. Okay, so any doubt, please send me message. Thank you.